Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss compound interest. Compound interest. In compound interest, interest is calculated on the original investment as well as the interest earned in each period. In other words, we say we calculate interest on interest. The formula that we use for compound interest is A equals P times bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. P is the present or principal value. A is the final amount. N the number of years. I rate of interest. Remember, I is R over 100. And then in compound interest, when we talk about the investment or the interest calculated yearly, then N stays N and I stays I. When it's half yearly, we have to adjust N and we will multiply N by 2 and we will divide I by 2. When interest is calculated quarterly, then N is multiplied by 4 and I is divided by 4. And when interest is calculated monthly, N is multiplied by 12 and I is divided by 12. An amount of money was invested 6 years ago and it is now, after 6 years, worth 1.2 million rand. The interest rate for the savings period was 18% per annum, compounded monthly. What was the amount that was invested originally 6 years ago? Now we will start with the summary. Now N is 6, but we have to multiply by 12 since it is compounded monthly. Compounded monthly. Therefore your N is 72. A, the final amount, is the 1.2 million. I was 0.18. Remember, it's the 18%, which is 0.18 over 12. Why? Divide by 12 since it is compounded monthly. So I is 0.015. B, that is what we're looking for. What was the amount that was invested? Then into the compound formula, A equals P bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. A is the 1.2 million equals P bracket 1 plus I's value is 0.015, N's value is the 72. Then you will work out this 1 plus 0.015 to the power of 72 and you end with 2.9211, etc. And please note, you don't round off your answer inside your sum. It's only the final answer that you will round off. Now you're going to divide away the 2.9 to find P. Therefore, the principal amount, the amount that was invested originally, was 410,795 rand and 99 cents. Let's do another example. In 10 years, the urban population of the Western Cape grew from 984,372 to 5 million. Use the formula for compound interest, compounded annually, to calculate this growth rate. So let's start with the summary. N is 10. P is the 984,000. A is the 5 million and I is what we are looking for. Into the compound interest formula, A, 5 million equals 984,000 bracket 1 plus I to the 10. Then I will divide away the 984,000 there, both sides, and on the right hand side I'm left with 1 plus I to the power of 10. Then to get rid of the to the power of 10, I will take the 10th root both sides, and then this 5 million divided by 984,000 is 5,079, and then you take the 10th root there and you end with 1,176, and then this one will walk across, it becomes -1. Therefore your I is 0,176. But remember, they want the growth rate, and that one has to be as a percentage. Therefore you will multiply by 100, and your R is 17,6% is the growth rate. Let's do another example. Tian has 4,500 Rand in his savings account. The bank pays him a compound interest rate of 4,25% per annum. Calculate the amount he will receive if he decides to withdraw the money after 30 months. The summary: P 4,500. I is 4,25 divided by 100 equals 0,0425. N is 30 months, but remember N has to be in years. Therefore N, you will say 30 divided by 12 equals 2,5. A, that's what we're looking for. Then into the compound interest formula, A equals P bracket 1 plus I to the N. We will substitute. In P's place, 4,500 bracket 1 plus I, we said, was 0,0425 raised to the power 2,5. And when you slot that into your calculator, the A value is 4,993 Rand and 47 cents. In the next lesson, I will discuss straight line depreciation as well as reducing balance. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.